welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a little work on my 2025 Silverado 1500 RST. So a few things I want to do. Never mind that right now. This thing right here is for, I want to do some, try to seal it up a little bit, you know, try to cut out some wind noise. Something I've seen on the gram. And then a mirror. I want to put this mirror on the passenger side. The biggest thing about it is this spot mirror right there that I want to install. So we're gonna do that. And the grand finale of what I'm gonna do from the beginning, I'm gonna do this first, is this light up bow tie. Plug and play, supposed to be. So, and here go the wire harness. So that's what we're gonna do. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now it kind of started without you because I was trying to figure out how to get this thing off without taking this whole grill off. And it's just kind of simple. At least I think it is anyway. So I got a screwdriver in there. So, and it's kind of cool out here too, y'all. So without all fail, regardless of the fact, I done stuck the screwdriver there, so I got to do it. So let's pry this thing back. See, I think at this point, it don't matter. I done went too far, so I gotta get this thing off, right? So let me go get my other screwdriver. Just need a little bit of space in here. Keep the gap. There she blows. That didn't want to come out. So, as you see right there, it's the same exact one. It even tell you this is up. So it's the same exact deal. Nothing no different. So okay, it says up. Push it on. Close down the red button. Let's clean this off up in here. And let's see. That's it. That's the hardest part. Now, next thing we do, we gotta run these to our light plug. And that's gonna be it. So welcome to the underside of the vehicle. Well, not the underside, but the top side of the passenger side headlight. So we're gonna run our plugs here. See, I unplugged it already. We're gonna run it right to the accessory, route it around, and slide it. I want to slide it right off in here. Dealer wanted $250 to do this. I'm like, no sir. Makes no earthly sense to me. Now, we have these plugs here. So, that plug down there, I don't know if you guys can see. You can see this plug here that's being moved around. Hope you guys can see it. That's got to go into this one here, and this plugs into the light. So, let's see if we can get that done. It's kind of tight quarters in here too. Alright, so that's basically it. Just plug it into parking lights, which they call accessory lights, and that's it. Plug and play. The hardest thing to do on this job is to pop this damn bow tie out. That is the hardest thing. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this back in here. Everything just clips right in with these little clips. Clip them right in. I'm not gonna clip that one though, because it seems to me like it's kind of in the way. I'm gonna clip it right here. Yeah, the heck with it. Right there, it goes right there. So we should be good. There we go. Everything back in place. Only thing left to do is put the clips in place. Kind of chilly out here today. Had to move y'all over there so that keep you out the sun. So let's move on to our next deal. So our next task at hand is to get this mirror out. Now everything that I've seen is super easy. You just need to tilt this all the way down, stick a screwdriver in behind it, and pry the piece off. So let me show you. Okay, so got these 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you gotta push down or pull up on these clips, which we're gonna check out and see once we get in there. So, yep. Just like that. So let's get this tilted down. All right, so I couldn't get you guys in there to see this, but just pop it off like that. This here is the piece that goes on here, so it's not hard, and that goes on there, which I'm gonna put back on here. Had to make sure that thing worked. Had to just pop it back on. Now, the hardest part here is getting these pieces here off. Because I don't want to tear this up to my heated part. Plugging up these for the heated mirrors. Plugging that back up now. That's it. Man, it's gonna make the truck look a whole lot different. Yes, sir. Yep. And while I was waiting for that to take place, I put in these seals I was telling you guys about. Oh. See right here? Put those in. Rubber seals just for extra added protection of wind and whatnot. So we done did all that. We done did the mirror, we done did the sides, and we did this here. So only thing left to do, man, is to wait till it get night and let you see what that look like. It's gonna be my first time seeing it too, so bring y'all back to it then. Hey guys, so it's nighttime, so let's check this car out. Let's see what's going on. There you go. Yes, sir. She looked good too, no question. The whole front of this truck looked good. Yep. All right, y'all. So that's the end of the video. I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Like, comment, and subscribe.